of you who don't. Why does she speak? Okay. So those who don't have a bouncing ball, all right. Those who don't have a ball, who are using potatoes, they have to throw it up. Okay. Beta, you need to listen to me. I'm telling you. This instruction, the first instruction is for those who don't have a bouncing ball. Okay? If you don't have a bouncing ball, or if you are using a potato, it is only for those. You throw the ball up with one of your hands. Okay, start with left. We'll start with left, throw and catch with right. Then throw with right, catch with left. Throw with left, catch with right. Okay, like this. Fine. This is for those who don't have a bouncing ball. Okay. Now those who have a bouncing ball, you need to listen to me, beta. Okay. With your senses open, everyone. Now if you have a bouncing ball, you are going to throw it down with your left hand, and when it comes back, when it bounces back, you catch it with your right. Then you throw with right hand, catch with left hand. Throw with left hand, catch with right hand. Are you getting me? It has to bounce back. Okay? You will throw it on the floor. See. Okay? Catching with the right. Now I have caught with my right hand. I'm throwing with the right hand. I'll catch with the left hand. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Throw. Okay? Alternate hands you are using. And you have to try to do it as fast as you can with lot of concentration. Okay, it's better you stand, everyone, so that you should be active enough. Don't sit and do it. Okay, come on, stand up. Yeah, and if your ball doesn't bounce, Sanchi and Sanji, beta, what are you doing? You're not doing anything. You don't even listen to me. You don't even look at the screen. What are you doing, beta? Start it. Your ball bounces. Does it bounce back? Stand up, stand up, stand up, and ask somebody to hold the camera if possible. Very good, Shreyansh. You're doing good. So understood, Pragun, when are you planning to start? Huh? Come on. I'm repeating one more time. If you don't have a bouncing ball, or if you are using, no, Ashvi, you have to throw it up, not like this. What are you doing? This is nothing. This is no challenge. You throw it up, catch it with the other hand. Throw it up, catch it with the other hand. Like this. Okay? Those who have a bouncing ball, they'll throw it on the floor. Catch it with the other.
Yes, ma'am.
You're doing it? Okay, show me. I'm going to watch everyone. Very good, very good. Come on. This is so much fun. Wow. Come on, Vivan, with one hand, okay? Start with left hand, throw with left, catch with right. Throw with right, catch with left. That's how you do it. Come on, Vivan. Vivan and Vivan both. Yes. Very good, very good. Now throw with right only. Vivan. Yes. Very good. Now throw with left. Very good. Now throw with right. Very good. Perfect. Good. Come on. Show me, Mehul, what you are doing. Goranj, you need to stand up. You cannot do it sitting on the bed. Come on, come on, come on, everyone. Stand up. Wow, wow, Namit. This is so easy. This is not a challenge. Come on. I told you. Look here. Throw it with left. Catch with right. Throw with right. Catch with left. Okay? No, throw it up, beta. This is not a challenge. What are you doing? Nakul, are you going to do it? Angelina, are you there?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Okay, Mehul, very good. Very good, Goranj. Ashvi, I can't see you, beta. Nida, very good. Beta, if you don't know what to do, please ask me again. Okay, but don't do it wrong. Otherwise, it's no fun if you're not actually doing the challenge. Very good. No, Adya, not like this. Not with both your hands. Come on, come on. Keep trying, keep trying. Throw with one, catch with the other. Okay, that's how you do it. Come on, Adya. What happened? Come on, Naira. Very good. Little higher, Naira. Try throwing it from your shoulder level.
Let's see first.
Oh. Come on, everyone. Very good. Very good. Adya, what happened, beta? Why are you sad? Ragun? No, not just one hand. You have to throw with one, catch with the other. Okay, that's how you're going to do it. Keep your cameras on. Nakul, keep your camera on. Very good, everyone. You're trying good. Come on, Agam Noor, show me what you're doing. Agam Noor, move back. Don't look at the screen, beta. I'm just trying to watch you. Do it. Do it. Beta, either up or down. Okay? Either you throw it up or you throw it down. If you're throwing down, hand should be like this. Okay? Then you cannot do it like this. Throw it down. Very good. Keep doing, keep doing. Good. Very good. Yes, Mehul. No, what are you doing? You're throwing it on the wall? Wow. Why are you throwing it on the wall? No. Mehul, that's not the challenge. Throw it up like this. Look, I'm throwing with my left, catching with right. Throwing with right, catching with left. Okay, and if it's bouncing, you just throw it down. If it's bouncing, you have taken an orange, or is it a sponge ball? Sponge ball? Catch. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Okay? Harmeher, I'm coming to your screen. You keep practicing. Okay, don't stop. Don't stop. Come on. With the other hand. Good. All right. I'm coming to everyone. Keep your cameras on, children. Otherwise, I'll mark you absent for True North class. Okay? Should I do that? Goransh, what are you doing? You throw it up. It's a soft ball, right? So throw it up. With one hand and catch with the other. Goransh, you're not following the instruction. No, why are you throwing it over your head? Just throw it in front of you. Look here. Look here.
See.
Goransh.
See.
मार पड़ने वाली है तुमको।
See. Catch with the other hand. Yes, Ashvi, show me what you do. Ashvi, you are playing catch. Throw and catch.
खेल लिए ना, अब अपने हिसाब से करो। एक हाथ से फेंको, एक हाथ से कैच करो, कैच करो। इतना ऊंचा मत फेंको ना, थोड़ा सा ऊंचा फेंको। जाओ।
Very good. Ashvi, you are going to sit on the couch and do it? No, not like this. Stand up, beta, stand up. Come on. Let's do it properly, है ना? Let's enjoy. Karthik, where are you? Wow. Yes, Vivan, show me how you're doing. Show me.
Show me करके दिखाओ। करो जल्दी।
No. Beta, throw it up. This is something very easy. Throw it up and catch it. Look here. Throw and catch. Okay? Focus. Just focus on the ball. Throw it up. Up, higher. Try to throw it higher. High.
थोड़ा ऊपर।
One. Look at me. Look at me. I'm throwing it, then catching it when it's coming down. Okay? Not this. You can do it, beta. Come on, you can do it. Hurry up, keep trying. Throw it up. What is up? Very good. No. Shreyansh, stand up and do it, beta. And throw it from your shoulder level. Throw it from your shoulder level. It's okay, children. I am just watching you. Why are you being so conscious?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Very
But
good,
I
Prabal. That's okay. Keep trying. It's okay. You
Ma'am,
try
I'm
more.
tired.
Already tired? Okay. You can sit. Prabal, show me. Very good. Aradhya, show me what you're
Can I
doing.
drink water?
Yes, beta, yes. No, not with both your hands. Aradhya, with one hand. Throw with one, catch with other. But you have a big ball, no? It's okay. Try doing it, okay? Try throwing it one hand, catching with the other. Very good, Agam. Show me what you're doing. Throw and catch. Agam, where are you going? I'm watching you, beta. Show me. Agam, show us what you're doing. Very good, Sanchi and Sanji. Not with both hands, with one hand. Sanchi and Sanji, throw with one and catch with the other. Okay, Harmina. Beta, throw with one hand and catch with the other. Sanchi and Sanji, listen to the instruction, please. We are not playing with the ball. We are trying to do something here. Right? Angelina, where are you? Okay, what were you doing? Now Mahira is tired. Oh. Too tired. Okay, what is Harmeet doing? Harmeet, beta, still sitting. Throw it up higher. Throw it higher. You need to be little more active. Okay? Do you play with Jasmeet or not? Ashmin is also tired. Danika, where are you? Danika, where are you? I can't see you, Danika. Rudrakshi, show me, beta, what you are doing. Throw it up. No. You can't do that. Throw it up. Look here. Up. Catch. Naira, show me. Very good, Naira. With one hand. Try doing it with one hand. Okay? Keep trying. Very good. Nida, show me what you are doing. Nida, go back. Nida, please go back. Sarvi, show me. Very good, Harmeet. That's like a good boy. Perfect now. See, now you are so active. Adya. There is Nakul. Nakul, I can't see you. Show me, Adya. Mainly. That's very few of you. Where are others? All right. I think everybody. Very good, Riman. Okay. Now you can sit and relax. Is Hadid there? Hadid? No. Okay. Fine, very good. Let's clap. Now you can relax like Ashvi, Mahira, and Ashmin. They are all sleeping. You want me to do that? Huh? All the babies are sleeping.
Yes,
You want me to do that? Okay. I'll have to get my guitar. Wait.
मेरे भाई आपको देख के ना हंस रहा है.
I don't know how to play a guitar. Still I play. Okay, now sleep. Sleeping. All the babies are sleeping. All the babies are sleeping. Sleeping. All the babies are sleeping. because they are very tired. They just played with the ball. Everyone sleep. Sleep and relax. Sleep and relax. All the babies are sleeping. Sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. Some are not sleeping. Some are still playing. And when they woke up, they were all rabbits, rabbits. Hop like a rabbit. Come on, everyone. Hop, 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 hop like a rabbit. Hop, hop, hop like a rabbit. Hop, hop, hop like a rabbit. And then they went off to sleep again. Sleeping, sleeping. All the babies are sleeping, but Pragun is not sleeping. He is only smiling, smiling, smiling. Agam is still playing and he is watching. When they woke up, they were all lions, lions. Roar like a lion. Come on, roar. Oh, what happened to the lions? They all became cats. Meow. All the lions became cats. The lions became cats. The lions became cats. And now they see a mice. They see mice. All the cats running behind the mice. Come on, run. Run behind the mice. Catch, catch, catch the mice. Catch, catch, catch the mice. All the babies are sleeping, 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 sleeping. Good morning. Wakey, wakey. All right. Are we fresh now? Fresh? Did you enjoy the ball game? Yes? All right. All right, good. No, Aradhya did not? Shouting. Wow. Okay, now children, you get your colors and a paper or any rough notebook, anything. Okay, a plain sheet, any old paper. It should be plain. I mean plain in the sense.
But we have to need to do, ma'am.
I just said it.
I'm plain sheet, ma'am.
Any sheet, beta. Any paper, okay? You don't tear a paper. If you have a rough notebook, get that. Anything that, okay? Any notebook and your colors. Any notebook and your colors. Let me know when you are ready. Any notebook, paper. If you don't have that, you can take your art file. All right. Colors. Fine. Yes. Crayons will do. Okay, now are we ready? Have you opened a fresh page? The page should be fresh, okay? There should be nothing written on it. Just that I want. All right, now take out your red color.
Ma'am,
take out your red color and draw. Yes, Ashvi. What, Ashvi? You don't have red? Any others? Pencil color or sketch pen which has red?
Okay, ma'am.
Just go find it quickly. Okay. So now with the red color, draw 5 circles in a line. Like this. Or wherever you want. No, don't draw them in a line. Just draw them here and there. Okay? All over the notebook. Small circles. Not too big. Not too big, not too small. Should be like this. This much is fine. Okay? The size of your bangle. If you wear a kada or bangle, it should be that size. Okay? But with your hand only. Don't trace it. Don't trace it. Just the size of your bangle or kada. Okay? 5 circles anywhere on that page. 5 circles anywhere on that page. Drawn? Yes, Agam Noor.
Ma'am, drawn.
Children, if you don't listen to me, you are not going to do this activity
Ma'am,
properly. First of all, you need to listen. Especially,
I draw sun.
Beta, I told you to draw 5 circles. We are not having a drawing period. Okay, we are doing some activity. Don't trace it, Angelina. Just draw 5 circles. Anywhere in the notebook. Okay, randomly, not in a line. Not in a line. Neither horizontally nor vertically, anywhere. In fact, everywhere. Yes, any page, any notebook, anywhere. Okay, 5 circles with the red color.
Ma'am, I draw 5 circles. Done.
Everybody has drawn 5 circles? Yes. Okay. Now you take out your yellow color. Very good. Yellow color. Naira, your sheet is yellow.
color.
Now you draw 5 circles with yellow color. Anywhere in the notebook, okay? Don't draw them in a line.
Colors with yellow color.
Yes, beta. Yellow color. Okay? 5 circles with yellow color.
Done. How many circles? Done, ma'am.
With red done, with yellow done. 5 circles each. Okay, now you take your green color.
Ma'am, we have to draw.
I'm repeating
Ma'am,
one
we
more
have
time.
to need to draw.
I am repeating one more time. Red color. With your red color, draw 5 circles anywhere on the page. With your yellow color also, draw 5 circles anywhere on the page. Yes. Ashmi, yes, Naira. Yes.
I draw with orange color.
Okay.
Sunnira.
Fine. All right.
मैम कलर से क्या करना है?
Circles, beta. Draw 5 circles with
Done,
red
ma'am.
color, 5 circles with yellow color. Now you take out your blue color. Okay. Blue color. Now you draw. Yes.
मैम ऐसा करें, ये पहले रेड कर रहे हैं, फिर उसके अंदर और
Can you wait? Blue color. Now with blue color you draw 3 circles. 3 circles. Beta, you have to mix all the circles, okay? You have to mix them. With blue color draw 3 circles. Just circles. Okay? Quickly. Done? Now
सर्कल का बनाना है। मैम हाउ टू मिक्स इट?
mix means anywhere, beta. Anywhere on the page. Randomly. Red, yellow, blue. Okay? Like that. Now you take your... Yes, Harmeet. Yes, Harmeet. Harmeet, बोलो.
वो क्या करना है?
Yes, Harmeet.
Ma'am, please mute everyone.
Harmeet, what are you saying?
गलती से ब्लू के 5 कलर गोल कर लिए।
Okay, okay. Circle. Okay? Okay. Now I'm repeating one more time. Listen to me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Agamnoor.
मैम करना
Yes,
क्या
nothing.
है?
Nothing, beta. Okay. 5 circles with red color, 5 circles with yellow color, 3 circles with blue color. Done? Done? 3 circles with green color. On the same page. Okay? On the same page.
Blue color, आप blue color, ma'am. Ma'am, done. Done, ma'am.
That's in a line, I think. Okay. On one page only 5 circles, 5 red circles, 5 yellow circles, 3 blue circles, 3 green circles. Done? Everybody has done? Show me thumbs up. Don't speak. Okay. Now the challenge starts. Okay, now you have 1 minute. First, listen to my instructions. Okay, listen to my instruction. Nobody will ask again. If you ask again, I'm going to mute you permanently. Okay, I'll tell you 2 times. After that, nobody will ask. Color the blue circles yellow. Okay, blue circles. अभी start नहीं करना है. When I say start, you will get 1 minute. Blue circles में yellow color, green circles में red color, red circles में blue color और yellow circles में जो color बच गया. I send it in the chat box. Okay, you can follow it from there, but you will have 1 minute. Blue circles, yellow color. Okay, green circles, red, red circles, blue, and yellow.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Circles, green. I've sent in the chat box. Read it, and you have 1 minute, and your time starts now. 1 minute. That's the challenge. Let's see who does it, who finishes it, and who does it correctly. I have sent. Do it yourself. No, 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 Ashmin. Do it yourself, beta. Come on, come on, come on. Hurry up, and show me. Point your cameras where I can see you coloring. Very good, very good. Prabal, are you doing it? Please bend your camera. Namit, are you there? Adya, Goransh. Nakul, have you drawn the circles?
मेरे को पता ही नहीं लगा.
Beta, I'm sending. Come on, children, 20 seconds are gone. I'm sending what you have drawn. You drew 5.
I have done.
Okay.
I have done.
Okay, send me a picture of it. Don't speak, okay?
I have done.
Send me a picture, those who have done. Hurry up, quickly, right now. Click a picture and send it to me. Nakul. Nakul, are you there? See, Nakul, you don't respond when I call out your name. And then you ask me, ma'am, what do we have to do? Beta, why are you not responding? I've been calling out your name for so long. Have you drawn the circles? Hurry up, children, 30 seconds. Nakul, did you draw the circles?
I'm done.
Quick.
I have done.
Okay, send me a picture. Hurry up, those who have done. Blue circles, yellow. Green circles, red. Red circles, blue. Yellow circles, green. You have 10 seconds left. Hurry up. 1, 2. Okay. Send it to me. Don't speak. Very good, Aradhya. Send me a picture. 4. Good, Sarvi. Sarvi, are these circles? They look like dots. Too small. Huh? They are too small, beta. 7. Shriyansh, are you there? Ashmin. 8. 9. 10.
Thank you.
10. Okay, Prabal has done. Okay, I'm giving you 20 seconds more. Okay, 20 more seconds. Come on. Very good, Vivan. Good. Send me a picture. Very nice, Angelina. Let me see if they are correct or not. Okay, they should be correct too, not just coloring is needed. Very good, Aradhya. Very good, Naira. Namit. Nakul, did you do it? Danika, done. Agam Singh, have you done, beta? Agam, Noor and Agam. Okay. All right. Have you shared a picture with me? Children, hurry up. 5 seconds.
Send the
1,
picture, ma'am.
3, 5.
Ma'am, I
And
send the picture.
time out. Okay, very good. All right. Good. Yes.
मैंने आपको पिक्चर भेज दी, पिक्चर देख लो.
Okay, I'll see it. Everyone has sent? Very good. All right. Now, who will tell me why did we do these activities for self-control? Who will tell me? Why? Okay. First, okay, tell me what is self-control?
है ना?
What is self-control?
Self control is safe.
What?
वरना follow instruction.
Self-control.
सुन गया था, पहले नहीं सुना था.
What is self-control? Which we don't have. है ना?
Self control पाना.
Yeah, but we don't have that, ma'am.
Self. Listen to the rules.
And following them also. है ना, Naira? Not just listening to them. And children practice the activities, okay? Whichever you do in your True North class, practice them. Practice them with your family, okay? Okay, and if you do that, if you show self-control, I will give you a reward. I will teach you some magic tricks. Okay? You want to learn magic tricks? You want to be a magician?
No.
Anna? Yes or no? I'll teach you some magic tricks as a reward if you show self-control. Okay? That will be your reward. Alright, so that is all. I hope you enjoyed and practice these. Okay, why did we do this? Because you needed a lot of focus. While you were playing with the ball, you were only focusing on the ball. And for this activity, I gave you too many instructions. Different instruction. Okay? 5 circles, green circles, this color, that color, fill different colors. Okay? So different instruction every time. And you had to listen. All right? Yeah, we have.
And you,
the
my
same ball.
photo.
Yes, please share the picture with me. All right? Okay, everyone. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you all. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.